Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate the ability of FPT team to build Joule skill using Joule Studio. So to demonstrate the Joule Studio, we will use a specific requirement from user form called overnight parking registration. So what's it tomorrow? So first, our customer have a parking management system, but they don't allow the employee to park the car or motorbike overnight. So when the employee want to do that, they have overtime working or something like that, they will need to register in the system their overnight parking. So in order to serve this requirement, our team use ABAP and Fury application to build an app to manage that on S/4HANA. But after the application is complete, the requirement also with additional that they will see the mobility gap and the user is using Joule a lot in this system. So we expand the solution into Joule. With Joule, we want to provide an omni-channel, zero UI approach where user can register their car or motorbike using natural language. And the tool we use in this demonstration will be BTP Build Joule Studio 1.0. And on this screen, you can see this is the Joule Studio screen and the flow we built for this scenario. We also prepare a picture of the system architecture. This will involve Joule Studio and Build Process Automation, and also S/4HANA Cloud, where we deploy our ABAP program. So let's get straight into the demonstration. So what you see on the screen here is the S/4HANA Cloud system with our application called Manage Overnight Parking. With this application, the employee can use this to log their overnight parking whenever they need to work overtime. They go on a business trip and they park their car or their motorbike in the company site. Usually, they will use the button create here and fill on the field on the screen. And this usually be done using the laptop. But for Joule, after we build the Joule skill, customer can stop using this application and straight away using Joule to chat. So let me demonstrate the ability. So let us begin using Joule. First, I will tell Joule about my intention. Joule will, based on this intention, and show the appropriate skill. It asks me for more information. And I will add more information about my car. So Joule will continue to analyze the information I provide and use that to register the parking. And you can see the step happen. It is filtering by email to get the business partner ID. And it begin registration. So it's a set full block by registration from today until June 2nd. Oh, today June 2nd until June 4th. So to prove this is not just a simulation chat, I will check the application. Says it already registered car Suzuki and the correct ID plate. So we can use Joule for many kind of feature. Depend on the customer requirement. We can build more skill like update or getting information. For example, if I want to get the information about my current parking, This, this skill also include in the skill we develop for this scenario. It will get this information. So you can see after a few minutes, it get a lot of information out. And this is just some example of using Joule Studio. And let me show you another thing. Besides using AI, we can also check for the log. We can know why it provided answer step by step. So everything is transparent. We can track if is there any problem during the AI using. Will show in the log here. And next, I want to show you the place where we develop the skill. This is called Joule Studio, and this is a skill called Register Aware. Okay, the skill include a lot of logic to validate the data, put the error, or even call to S4HANA or registration or getting data. If we want to be more skilled, it will be add using this suite. On for the demonstration of using Joule Studio to be a custom skill in addition to usual Fury application.